The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. Traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Before I go over the technical analysis part of this video, I want to go over a membership that will be coming out fairly soon. In this membership, it's on YouTube. You can get some of the perks will be priority reply to comments. So if you guys comment, you get a little badge next to your name, and I know that's a member, so I can reply to your comment as soon as possible. There will be exclusive member only videos, some of them such as Bitcoin, gold, silver, oil, maybe even uranium, maybe even the dollar. So it was member exclusive. And also there'll be member only polls. So if you guys want to see a specific video I do on my main channel, or for every one of you, we can do that. And then there'll be a Discord room, private Discord room available where we can share opinions on the charts, where we think prices are headed. And also I can probably do more updates on the SPY, like maybe every few days I show like a chart and I annotate what I'm seeing, or even leave a little description. But it'll be more real time instead of just a weekly update. But it'll be stuff like that, and I'll give you guys more information as it's developing. But it's going to be coming out probably next month. So let's switch it over to the technical analysis aspect of this video. So here we have the SPY. We sold off definitely very sharply back here in August 16th. You can see that in August 16th we dropped pretty much 15% in just about looks like 38 days. So very quick drop. This is a large drop for the SPY. The market is definitely making these wide swings up and down, and we finally hit the measured move. So you can see that we had the first leg down right here, and we had the second leg. Second leg was much larger than the first leg, which is okay, that happens. Now if we combine the two, we made one large leg. You see the right at the tip of this arrow, that's pretty much where prices closed, right on the dot. Prices closed right at the tip of this arrow. Now let's go and remove that. So the measure move is hit, and also if I zoom out, you can see that we made three legs down. This is the first leg right here, and first leg, move it over to get the second leg. Second leg is much larger than the first leg. Usually the first and third legs are the same size, and if I move this arrow across, you can see that we pretty much bounced right off of this 363 level, 364 level, and that's pretty much right where this arrow is. So very calculated market. And you can see that this was a red bar on Friday. It was trading right around this 363 level, or 362.117 was the lows. Actually 363.29 was the lows of that day, and buyers drove it up to 368.04. So we got that bounce because that measure move target was hit. So where are we going now since those measure move targets are hit? Well, right now it's kind of an indecision area, because it could go up due to being super extended from the EMA. You can see that we are extended from the EMA just like we were in the past, about the same distance. If I use the arrow, you can see that's how far away we are from the EMA. If I move this over, it's about the same distance. So it's more likely to go up than down because of that, but down can also occur too. We can stay overextended from the EMA, but I'm expecting a bounce from here because it does look like a double bottom, a potential double bottom on a bigger picture. If I zoom out, you can see that prices tested this level back here in June the first time. We got a large bounce up, and now prices are back at the same level. So we should get at least a minor bounce up. So it does make sense to go up this week, fill in the gap right here, and maybe even test this breakout again. So me personally, I'm expecting higher prices in the short term, but in the long term, I'm still bearish. Yes, there's quite a bit of reasons to be still bearish. You can see that there was this downtrend channel in play. Now, since we went up and then we went back down below the EMA, this trend is definitely still not played out. That's why prices went down to retest these lows. Now, normally we exceed these lows, so that's why I'm expecting this to be taken out eventually, but I think we're going to get that bounce first. Let's go ahead and change the color of this channel. So make it orange. And overall, I'll show you guys this channel, the major pattern that looks like prices are respecting. This one right here, if I drag this one down, this looks like the major pattern, a very wide and choppy channel where we have large up moves and large down moves. So you can see that we still have quite a bit of way to go to reach this side of the channel, since we were just on that side. So still looking for lower prices. In the short term, we should see a bounce. It's just more likely to occur, but I'm still bearish. I think we're going to continue lower. I don't think this is it, and I'll give you more reasons why on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for the SPY. You can see much clearer on the weekly chart, the double bottom. You can see the prices bounce from this level. It's not confirmed double bottom. We just closed right at it, so we still need to see buyers drive up the price, but it could be a double bottom. Now, let's just say we do get that little bounce up and you start continuing lower. Where's the next area? Well, you can see this is pretty much 2 legs down right here. 1 leg, this is all pretty much just 1 leg, so that's 2 legs down. So if we combine the 2 legs, make it into 1 large leg, and we had a correction up, looks like this is the target that prices want to reach, the 314 level. So honestly, I think they can get down here. It does look like it, because if I zoom out on the chart, I'm trying to see where prices are going. So I need to use channels and draw patterns on the chart to recognize where prices would most likely be going. Well, it's probably going to be somewhere right over here, because for example, if the channel was slimmer, let's go and do that. So if the channel was something like this, you can see that every time prices came up to the top side, we went to the bottom side. So we went to the top side. Obviously, we broke it right here. I can just move it up, but we still came back to the bottom side. Broke it right here, got a breakout here, and we went much higher. So is the channel wider? I think so. The channel could be wider. We'll have to wait and see. It could be like this, and this could be the top of this pretty much bull market, because we have this overshoot, and this could be like the blow off top, or the channel just got wider and we're just pulling back to the channel support. So we'll have to wait and see. I mean, sometimes when I'm looking at the chart, I don't know, and I'm pretty sure other traders don't know, because we're looking at the same chart. So you can't really be confident if this is part of the channel or it's the climax point. So which one is it? We'll have to wait and see how it develops. But as right now, let's just assume it's not an overshoot and we're just pulling back, because if it's an overshoot, then this is pretty much the top, and we can go back all the way down to pretty much 2008 price levels. So we don't want that. So unless you're short, but it does look like prices want to continue higher. After we get these 2 legs, we're going to be very close to the support channel and right at the measured move, so it does make sense. So it looks like Q3 of next year will be probably the potential bottom of this downtrend. Again, just an estimate. No one knows for sure. I'm pretty sure no one on YouTube can know exactly where the bottom is. I mean, we can all make predictions, but this could be it or this could not be it. But I think there's a good chance it could be, based on, you know, the chart. So once we get that bottom, I'm expecting another large leg up like this one right over here. So if we do that, this is where prices are going at the right 560 level. So basically, we're in an uptrend. We had a breakout right over here of the channel. We had a large leg up. If we get a 2-legged correction, that will mark the center of the pattern for the next large leg up. So short term, very short term, expecting a little bounce from here, but we still see lower prices. I would not be bullish until we reach these lower price levels, and then from there, I think it'd be a good chance something occurs Q3 of next year, or maybe early Q2, that drives the market up higher. We'll have to wait and see, but at the end of the day, it still looks like a pullback, because if I do a Fibonacci retracement, it's right near the 382 level, so still pullback territory. We'll have to wait and see if this all doesn't make sense if we had an overshoot over here and we're going to continue much lower, but that's a little too far ahead. But just want to show you guys that, and we can go and wrap it up, and I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.